Now come to the next question of purchase book, related to purchase book. Enter the following transaction in the purchase book of Superior Cloth House, Superior Cloth House, New Delhi, assuming CGST and SGST at the rate of 5% each. At the rate of 5% each. So in the books of the name of the purchase book, what we are going to maintain, purchase book of whom? Purchase book of, name of the party is Superior Cloth House, and this Superior Cloth House of New Delhi. We are preparing the purchase book of Superior Cloth House, New Delhi. The first transaction on 2018 April 4, purchased from Radha Krishan and Sons of New Delhi, wide invoice number 305, 100 meter cotton clothes at the rate of rupees 200 per meter, and 80 meter woolen cloth at the rate of rupees 500 per meter, and trade discount 20%. So this will be recorded because it's a cloth house. Important thing is what? It's a cloth house. So cloth is the goods for Superior Cloth House. The cloth is the goods. So if the cloth is purchased and purchase, okay, on credit, then this will be recorded over here. So 2018, date is 2018, first date is April 4. The name of the supplier is Radha Krishan and Sons of New Delhi. Void invoice number has given, so we'll write the invoice number over here. 305 is the invoice number. 100 meter cotton clothes at the rate of rupees 200 per meter. So 100 meter cotton cloth at the rate of rupees 200 per meter. So this will be 100 into 200. So 20,000. 100 into 200, 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Next is 80 meter woolen cloth at the rate of rupees 500 per meter. So 80 into 500 into 80, okay, it is 40,000. Good. Thereafter trade discount. Now we'll do the addition first. It is 60 less trade discount is 20%. Trade discount discount at the rate of 20%. So 20% of this sum, 60,000 into 20 upon 100, 20% of this sum, okay, so it is 12,000. 20% we have to deduct it. Trade discount has to be deducted. So 48,000. Now you add, it's a New Delhi, Radha Krishnan of where? New Delhi, and the purchaser is also from New Delhi. It is an interstate, within the state, within the state, within the territory. Okay, so here the CGST will be applied. Add input CGST at the rate of 5% and input SGST at the rate of 5%. Okay, so 5% of this sum, 48,000 into 5 upon 100, 48,000 into 5 upon 100, 5%, 2,400 and 2,400, 2,400 and 2,400. Is it clear? Both are at the rate of 5%. Now we'll do the addition. 00825, 52,800. So this will be in the purchase, 48 will be in the purchase column, 2,400 will be in the input CGST, 2,400 will be in the input SGST. There is no integrated GST. So 52,800 is the total. So this one is completed. This one is completed. This transaction is completed. Okay. Now see the next. Purchase from Raghuveer Prasad and Company, Kanpur, UP. So we have to write the name of the supplier, Raghuveer Prasad and Company, Prasad, PRASHAD, Prasad and Company, कानपुर, यूपी हो गया है, that is Kanpur. Okay, what we have purchased, 50 meter silk, 50 meter silk cloth at the rate of rupees 600 per meter. So this is 30,000. 50 into 600. 50 into 600, 30,000. Okay. Next is 40 meter cotton cloth. Cotton clothes at the rate of rupees 250 per meter. So 40 into 250. 40 into 250. It is 10,000. 10,000. So total is 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Trade discount 10% less trade discount at the rate of 10%. So 4,000 is the trade discount. So it is 36,000 after deducting trade discount. Now you add input IGST. Why IGST? Because it is interstate. New Delhi and Kanpur, state is changed, UP and New Delhi. So interstate at the rate of 10%. Both CGST and SGST percentage will be club. Now it is 36,100. So it is 00693, 39,600. Now 36,000 will be here. No input CGST, no input SGST. Here 3600 and total is 39,600. So this transaction is completed here. Now the next transaction. See the next transaction. See the next transactions. The space is very less over here. The space is very less. Now the next transaction is on April 20, purchase from Modern Furniture House, Delhi, 10 chairs at the rate of 2000 per chair. The business is, your business is cloth house and he has purchased chair. So this will not come in the purchase book. This will be in the journal proper. Purchased from Hari Om and Sons, Gujarat, Vaiditna. Okay, this will come 25th. Purchased from Hari Om. Hari Om and Sons. And Sons of where? Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay. So it's a interstate. It's a interstate. So what he has purchased? 100 meter woolen cloth at the rate of rupees 600 per meter. So it is 600 into 100, 60,000 less trade discount 15%, trade discount 15%, trade discount less. So 15% of 60,000, 15% of 60,000, 15% of 60,000. Okay, so it is 9,000. 9,000 will be deducted. So this will be 51,000. 51,000. Okay, 51,000. Thereafter, it's a interstate from New Delhi to Gujarat. So IGST will be applied. IGST will be applied. I am not getting space over here where I will write IGST. Okay, I am writing at the top. At the top I am going to write it. Okay, IGST. Here I am going to write at the top. Okay, add IGST at the rate of 10%. At the rate of 10%. Okay, both will be combined. Both will be combined. Okay, both will be combined at the rate of 10%. Input IGST. Input IGST at the rate of 10%. So 10% of 51,000 is 5,100. Yes, 5,100. So total will be 51 plus 5,100, 51,000, and this total will be 56,100. this will we write 60,000 will be 51,000 will be in the purchase column, 51,000 will be in the purchase column, and 5,100 will be in the IGST column. 5,100. Okay, you write it at the bottom. I am getting no space thereafter, so I have written at the top. So what you do, 51,000 you have to add over here, add input IGST 5,100, and then here you write 51,000 and here you write 5,100, and thereafter what you do the total. Do the total thereafter, you do the total. The total will be, you write the total thereafter. Okay, thereafter you write the total. Okay, thereafter you write the total. So total will be, suppose here I am writing the total, so total will be this total will be 0,009 and 655 15 1 51,000 14 115 1 7 8 or 5 13 1,35,000 this side, and this total will be 2,400, this total will be 2,400, and this total will be 36 plus this one 51, so this total will be 8,700, and this total will be 92,400. Okay, so I am getting no space, that's why I have written at the top. So is it clear? So you write at the bottom this one, add inputs IGST 5,100, then you do the total. This will 56,100 after 51,000 plus this much. Thereafter this will be 51,000 will be in the purchase, 51,000 will be in the purchase, 2,400 and 5,100 will be over here. Okay, is it clear? So you do the total accordingly, So total will be, final total will be, when you write the final total over here, final total when you write it over here, so this will be this will be 1,35,000, 2,400, 2,400, 8,700 and 92,400. This will be the final total. Okay, final total, and you block this space. Thereafter you block this space. Okay, I am not getting the space at the bottom, that's why I have written at the top. Is it clear?